Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite friends and get rewards within the Gate.io application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Gate.io app on your device, and after logging in using your credentials, you will be taken into your homepage. Now from here, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, and now you can either tap on the referral button, or if you go inside your profile, you can once again see the referral section. Go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on invite now. If you have not already verified your account, you will need to verify it first. You will now be shown your referral code as well as the QR code that you can share with other users. Simply share it using the various applications, or you can download this image and also copy the referral code to share it manually using your preferred app. After you have shared it, the person will either need to use this code while signing up as the referral code, or they can also scan the QR code, and once their sign up is completed, you will get a bonus as well. You can invite as many users as you wish to get rewarded multiple times. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to invite friends and get rewarded on the Gate.io application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.